I built a system that works for both my business brain and my creative, forgetful, ADHD-prone human side. It's simple, sustainable, and honestly, it's helping me feel way more like myself. Today, I'm showing you the Notion dashboard I use to manage my whole life without slipping into hustle mode. You'll see exactly how I replaced sticky notes, random spreadsheets, and 5 different apps with one calm, connected hub. Let's dive in. Everything in my dashboard starts with values, the big picture priorities that guide what I say yes or no to. From there, I set quarterly and annual goals, link them to projects, and then break those projects down into weekly and daily tasks. This keeps me focused without feeling like I'm running my life like a corporate work. Once a month, I hit reset. I review at work, update my goals, swap out my vision board, and clean up my task board so I can start the month with a blank slate. This isn't just about tidying up, it's how I stay aligned without micromanaging myself. The dashboard runs on a few main databases: goals, projects, tasks, content calendar, journal, and a simple business tracker. Notion databases are like smart spreadsheets. They store everything, but they also connect and filter, so you only see what matters right now. That's the magic. I keep a minimalist habit tracker, only tracking what I want to notice, not control. I used to try to track every tiny thing, but it became perfectionistic and exhausting. Letting go of that actually made me more consistent. This setup started as my personal tool, but now it's something I share with clients and I've turned into a template. And honestly, it's just one part of a bigger system I call my second brain. The way I connect ideas, goals, and projects so I can think more clearly, not just stay organized. That's what I'll show you in an upcoming video. Next time, I'll show the habits I'm actually tracking and the ones I gave myself permission to ditch. If you want a peek inside my real habit tracker, make sure you're subscribed. And if you want a Notion board template or walkthrough, let me know in the comments.